Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. Happy New Year. Actually, I do have a little bubbly left over from last night. It is the first day of the year and the first day of 2024 being on a Monday just feels right. The first day of the month, the first day of the work week. I love that for this year. And honestly, for the better part of 2023, in my head, it was already 2024. I was already in 2024. And for 2024, the theme is standing on business. Okay. Now, I'm still a little bit hung from last night because your girl had too much to drink. So I'm going to be having a little hair of the dog. And I feel like I'm going to be a champagne girly going forward. Like 2022, it was very much champagne and Hennessy. I feel like I need to go back into that era. I need to go back into that girl ordering. And then this is sparkling Moscato. Yes, pink Moscato. Bubbly, yes. And it's very yummy. It's on the sweeter side. I love me a sweet wine. Judge me all you want. I don't care. But like I said, the theme is standing on business. So cheers to that. Happy New Year. Pick up all of the clean skin, good body, good old girl them out there. Yes. Now, on Black Friday, this company got hit with a viral tweet. And yes, I said tweet, not X or post or whatever, right? On Twitter, this girl posted a screenshot of her card from this company called Nudesii, which as well, is it Nudesii or Nudesii? Nudesii makes more sense, but when I first saw it, I thought it was Nudesii, but then the owner of the company, her name is Desi, so Nudesii makes more sense. This TikTok girlie I was watching, she was saying Nudesii, and I was like, makes more sense. Anyways, so she had a store closing sale. She was closing her business, and this one tweet on Black Friday went viral. And I was able to I was able to order, I believe, 4 pieces, right? Actually have it in my notes right here, ready to pull up and go. So, hold on, guys. Hold on. Give me a few. So here, Nudesii. These are the 3 emails that I got from her, right? Okay, so the first email is my order confirmation, and that is of 1, 2, 3, yes, 4 things. Let me make sure nothing is being shown. Okay, so my total was $266, and then I got a discount because it was Black Friday, and my total ended up being $34. Okay, paid my $34 plus taxes and shipping and all of that. It came up to, let me tell you the exact figure that was deducted from my bank. $34.10. All right, and that's November 25th, Black Friday. November 27th, I get this email saying that they're going to cancel every single order. When I got this email, I was distraught. Okay? Now, initially when I was ordering, everybody's like, oh my gosh, I hope it's not a scam. I hope everything goes right, blah, 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 blah. Some people were disputing it before the email even came out, apparently, allegedly, right? But I was still keeping high hopes. It's only $34. I'm supporting a Black business. She's going out of business, but everything happens for a reason. So now I'm looking at it like, oh my gosh, look at her blessings, right? We all went in, we, supported this woman, got her all this attention to her brand, and then she went ahead and canceled every single order. Then she said in the email that will be getting a refund in 1 to 5 business days. And if we don't receive the refund, you need to contact your bank. I feel like this is the part that a lot of us did not pay close attention to. And yes, a lot of us, including me myself, because I did not see, yes, I saw it, but I'm thinking, okay, 5 business days, that seems normal for any financial institution or, e-transaction or whatever. The refund is going to take a few days to, backtrack. So that time has obviously passed. It's now been over a month. And it's on my mind like, wait, I don't think I got a refund for my $34.10. So I run to my my banking app and I look through all my transactions from November to now, and there is no incoming $34.10. Then I go back to my mailbox and I realize that I have an email from November 29th from them. And yes, I know that's horrible. I can't imagine the amount of emails that I've gotten that I'm not responding to. But for 2024, we're starting on business. So that means responding to appropriate emails at the appropriate time, right? Right. That email responded to. Okay. So in this email, it says your order has been canceled because of unforeseen circumstances and your payment has not yet been refunded. There it is. That's that email right there. Now, today being January 1st, my bank's dispute department is closed for the holiday. So tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I'm going to make sure that I call them so that I can get my $34.10. And if you place an order with Nudesii, I encourage you to call your bank, okay? Because I went back to the Nudesii Instagram after they had posted that they were closing, right? The page is now private. Is that the page? Yes, the page is now private. And it says they're relaunching in January 2024. Where is it? Nudesii.co. Yes, this account is private. 0 posts, 0 following, but has 6,000 followers. Yeah, there it is. And they are relaunching in this month. I think what went wrong with Nudesii is that, because even on the website itself, and I feel like I just talked in a whole loop and missed what I was supposed to say earlier. I apologize. What went wrong? Because even while I was ordering, I noticed that the quantity on each item was like either hundreds in stock or thousands in stock. Some things were out of stock or sold out, which to me was kind of weird because weird, but not weird, because if she's closing, that means she does have inventory that's stocked up that she needs to get rid of. I'm wondering now, were those always the prices? Were her dresses always $200, $300, $100? And she did that big blowout for real? And I asked this question to somebody who claimed that they ordered from the company before, but I got no response from them. Or is it that she hiked up the price to make it seem like you're getting a big deal when in really and truly the price of the dress really is $10 or $5 or whatever the case is? So that was kind of weird to me, and I did question that as I was checking out. But at the same time, I did want my 4 dresses for $34. Okay, a deal is a deal is a deal is a deal at the end of the day. And the dresses were cute. And again, we're supporting a Black woman-owned business. And she's here on YouTube as well. So, we're supporting our fellow Black YouTubers. Okay? And I have purchased from YouTubers here who have either collabs or branched out and done their own thing, because I like to support. I just do. I really, really do, genuinely like to support. And when I get that support back, it feels good. Why is this vibrating so much? That's weird. Okay. Yeah. It feels good to receive that support. So I like to give it whenever I can, if I can. So yeah, as far as the theme of the year goes, standing on business, we're definitely calling our banks tomorrow, girls. If your bank is anything like mine, I bank with Discover. you will have a seamless process. It will be smooth and easy, especially since I have all these receipts. I don't see why there should be any issue at all getting my money back. If this was a scam, she got me. She got me, because if 1,000 girls ordered, and my order was on the lower side of the spectrum, some girls were spending hundreds of dollars. Let's not even say 1,000. Let's say 100 girls ordered. Babes. She cleaned up for Black Friday. She did her big one for Black Friday. But for now, I need us all to stand on business. I would love her, because I don't think she does YouTube anymore like that. I would love her to come out with some kind of statement. I mean, no, actually, no. No, I don't think she'll come out with any statement, because she literally said it in the email. She sent an apologetic email. She sent a refund has not been issued email. And she sent those two. The confirmation was the first email I got. The apologizing for overselling, even though it wasn't her fault, really. I don't know what's happening on the back end. But if you have the products, just send the products out. I feel like that's where she messed up. That's the only part I feel like where she messed up. I feel like she should have properly put the correct stock amount on her back end, or check the little thingy, because there's always an option that says continue selling after stock runs out, or stop selling, which again, on some items it did say sold out. So I don't know. I think on the back end is really, really where she got messed up, and everybody rushing to the site did crash it. So maybe the crashing of the site, she lost all the information. Maybe she couldn't access, for whatever reason, everybody's orders. So it was just easier to cancel everything than to fulfill them. Maybe. But if that's the case, no, to me, that's still wild. That's still weird. That's still very, very weird, because she had a nice looking website. She had a decent looking website. She had a website that looked like she went for the premium package, right? And with the premium package, you see everything on the back end that's going on in your storefront. Yeah. I don't know what the excuse is there, or what it could be, because even if it took you until the next Black Friday to ship out every single order, like at this point, you've now made enough money to hire at least one more person, if it's just to help you ship out those pieces, and then take the rest of the money, because you hiring somebody's investing it back into your business, right? Because that's just making the process go faster so that you can make more money. And I feel like that tweet going viral and then her site crashing could have been karma, could have been a sign from God, like, look, your business, keep it open, don't close it. So her reopening in 2024, am I mad at her? I don't know. I don't know. But January 2nd, check back in with me. Ask me if I got my, if I called my bank, and we'll go from there. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Happy New Year. Cheers.